I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to turn off Facebook birthday notifications on your iPhone or iPad device. Step 1. Tap to open the Facebook app on your Apple iPhone or iPad. Step 2. Tap the menu icon. The menu icon features 3 horizontal lines. Step 3. Tap to expand Settings and Privacy, and then tap Settings in the menu that opens. Step 4. Navigate to the Preferences section and then tap Notifications. Step 5. Swipe down to the What Notifications You Receive section and then tap Birthdays in this section. Step 6. If you just want to disable a specific type of Facebook birthday notification, you can easily do that by leaving Allow Notifications on Facebook toggled on. Move down to the Where You Receive These Notifications section and then tap to toggle off either push, email, or SMS to stop receiving Facebook birthday notifications through those methods. Alternatively, you can completely turn off and disable Facebook birthday notifications by tapping to toggle off Allow Notifications on Facebook. A window pops up letting you know that if you move forward, you won't receive Facebook birthday notifications by push, email, or SMS text message. Tap Turn Off. Facebook birthday notifications will be fully disabled on your account. Your changes will be applied immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.